Sophie. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a jiggly slime. You're going to need glue, baking soda, artificial solution, and a cup of water. Now I've already added the glue in, as you may be able to see, and the baking soda. But I'm so excited. I was so excited for this video because I got to use clear blue color glue, and I've only ever used the clear glue or the white glue, and it's so excited to use this. So first you just need to add the glue, then you need to add a little bit of the baking soda, then some contact solution, and then you stir it with a spatula or a spoon. If you haven't already, if you're new to this channel or you haven't already, click the subscribe button and put your notification bell on, and give me a thumbs up. And at the end of and give me a thumbs up. If you have made a jiggly slime before, then just tell me if it was fun to you, if it was fun to make, and if it was quite different, or if it's easy, or if it was hard, because I would really like to know, and if it worked or not, because I don't think I've ever made a jiggly slime before, so who knows if this is gonna work. And with this glue, it says new good for slime on it, if you can see that, good for slime, and I've never seen that on a bottle of glue before, ever. And I hope you had a good holiday, because it's nearly the end of school holidays, which I'm not excited for, because I like school holidays. And if it's, no. And if your if your slime is sticky, or if your slime is sticky, then you add some backup soda. If it's not sticky, then you should, then if it's not sticky but it's not coming together, then you should add some eye contact solution. This is so pretty. See? Oh, there's a bubble. No. This slime's not coming off my bubble. It looks like weird. It's kind of because it's stuck to my bubble around there. Ugh. My arm's starting to hurt. So I think this is nearly ready. I just need to mix it a little. I probably just need to add a tiny bit more background. Oh, that was a lot, not a tiny bit. I should just put that out front. Yeah. That's so pretty. And it's not sticky anymore. So pretty. I am obsessed with this color and the slime and the feeling right now. I just don't want to stop squishing it. So once you made the slime, remember how how I said you need a cup of water? This is where it comes in. You need it to make jiggly slime. I've seen lots of other YouTube videos where they use water to make jiggly slime and things like that. And I'm I'm excited to try it out. So what you're gonna do is while you've got the slime, you need to pour a little bit of water in around it, and then I think you just let it rest there for a little, and just like sort of play with it in the water, I'm guessing, and then yeah. It's actually working. It's sort of jiggly now, but it's sort of turned into pasta. And watch my next video. Just comment down below what you think my next slime video should be about. Like fluffy slime, a challenge of any sort. Oh gosh, this is so weird. I've never done this before. This feels so nice. Yeah, at the same time. And it's getting stickier for some reason. It's like not formed anymore. Like, it looks weird.